In this video, I'll show you how to use a USB cable to set up your Brother MFC-J1365DW printer in case you don't want to use the Wi-Fi and you prefer connecting to a computer directly using one of these. It's not included in the box, unfortunately. You'll have to purchase one separately if you don't already have one. I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon if you intend to purchase, and I get a very small commission every time you go through my links. Anyway, so step number one is to go on the left side of the printer, and over here, this is where the USB port is located. So if we take a closer look, they have hidden the port over there. So take your cable, this end of the cable, and we simply have to push it right there. Next step is to connect it to the computer. In my case, the computer has a USB type A port, so this is why the cable has a USB type A connection, but don't worry, there is also cable with a USB type C connection. So I'll simply connect it in my computer. This is a PC, but could have been a Mac as well, doesn't matter really. So once everything is connected, most of the time you will not need to download any drivers to connect the computer to the PC. So at this point, open any files you wish to print on your PC. On a Mac, you may have to add the printer manually to the computer, and usually you'll have a magnifying glass over here. Tap on the magnifying glass, click on, simply type printer, and you're gonna get in the printers and scanners menu, and then you'll have to add the printer in that menu. But on a PC, you don't need to do that. You simply have to open any file, any pictures you wish to print. For example, this one, and I will go directly, okay, and find the printing icon. Tap on the printing icon. Then you need to find the Brother MFC-J1365DW printer in the list, and it should be ready. It's currently connected, so it should be appearing. And from here, well, you simply have to click the print button, and right away the print will be sent. If you need to download manually the driver for the printer because for any reasons your PC is not able to detect the printer, well, I suggest the easiest way, honestly, is to simply go on Google and you're gonna type, okay, oops, I'm on Bing, I prefer Google to do this. On Google, you're gonna type Brother and the name of the printer. And at the end, add the word driver. Search for this, and one of the first options should be the official Brother website. So click on this, and by the way, this is my video. Hello. You're gonna get on the Brother website, select Windows, Mac, Linux, no matter which device you are, select the appropriate one, and select your OS. Press OK. And down below, you're gonna see multiple things that will be presented to you. The one that you need to select, okay, for most people, is easy setup. This is the easiest way to make sure that the driver is installed and everything is working. Download the easy setup document application and launch it. You'll be guided step by step and you'll be able to install it. And afterwards, everything will work the way it should. Now on a PC, if you want to scan and get the results on the PC, you need to open the scan app. So go in search, type scan, and if you do not have the scan app, like I do here, you may have to download it. So go on the Microsoft Store and select and download scan. It's free. And by going in the app and selecting your Brother printer, you'll be able to press the scan button and whatever is here will get on your PC. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.